Here's our bedroom. Little walk-in closet. Small room in the house, but that's because Cruz still sleeps with us. And it's just us three. We don't need anything big. Didn't plan on using the room a whole lot. Here's the shower. Here's the view from the shower. Pretty cool. You got the beach straight ahead to the left. Not a bad view in the whole house. Go outside. There's our little balcony at the city and the ocean. There's Jess and Billy's bathroom. Right back into here. Another view. Staircase going down. 3 stories. Here's Jess and Billy's room. They got the master suite. She organized it. She deserved it. Bed and all the windows. I'm not going to do the blinds, but I'll show you the view when we go out back. Little office area, little kitchenette, dishwasher, fridge, sink, all that good stuff. And a pretty awesome bathroom. Here's a big old walk-in closet. Very nice little bathtub with the view if you open the window of the ocean. And a very nice stone tile walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. Of course, with another view. And the back porch is pretty darn amazing. Got a fireplace, gas fireplace right there. Got a view of the whole city. And then you got this. There's the pier out there. A little breakfast nook table. Ocean. Glass wall surrounding. Come out here and eat breakfast in the morning if you want, while you watch the ocean. Go downstairs. Wooden floors everywhere throughout the house. Tile everywhere else. That's the second floor. Guest bathroom. Walk-in shower. Justin, you guys dressed?
No.
No? Here's Justin Ash's room. Closet's a mess. Justin's a slob. Got a piano. Justin requested specifically so he could play romantic songs and have a baby.
Well, I always play the butt trumpet.
A little back patio. I didn't realize how small that back patio was. There's Cruz and Alicia. I believe that's ours, right, Alicia?
What? Yes. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, jeez. Here, Justin, you can have it. I got plenty.
Here, I'll put it in this one.
Take it down here.
Okay. And this is the main kitchen. Granite everywhere. Humongous range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burner range. Gas. There's the view from the kitchen sink window. Big old stainless steel refrigerator. Can't even fit in the whole camera. There's Cruz shutting me out. Watch out, buddies. Walk-in pantry. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Say bye, Cruz. Say hi, Nana. Breakfast bar. Another view. Here's a formal dining room, I guess you could call it, where you can eat while you're looking out at the ocean. Raise the blinds. Living room. Flat screen TV. Fireplace. Right on the back patio. Little fountain, I just now noticed. Whoa. Back patio. Breakfast table. Hey, do you notice this? It's a little fountain. Hey, watch out because that pole, the gold piece will fall out. Just keep an eye on it, please. Go down to the main level. Ground level. Connor. Our laundry room. Casey. Guest bathroom, I think someone's in there. Casey. Shyla. Jackson. Riley. She said she didn't want to be on video. Shyla and Scott's in the kids' room. No one's in here to undress, are they?
Nobody's in there.
Double beds. Because they got 100 kids. Little closet. Bathroom. Shower. Kitty door going out back. Pool table. Another kitchenette. Fireplace. Amber. Aiden. And then back patio. Walk up some rock stairs. Get up here, you got a nice little bench area. Got a gas buffed rock or a buffed glass fire pit. Pretty cool. Little grassy area. And a glass wall surrounding. And the view. Pretty cool. And that's our trip. Memorial Week in 2014, San Diego, California, Ocean Beach. Peace out.